Welcome to Debt Busters and welcome to another YouTube video. Do you make money from a faceless cash cow YouTube channel? Then give me a few minutes of your time. In this video, we'll show you some of the best niches for making faceless YouTube videos. We'll show you examples of channels in these niches, tell you how much they make, and explain to you how to start creating similar content. Later in the video, we'll talk about other ways you can make money from these channels. Before I go into the best niches for making money on YouTube without showing your face, let me explain how making money on YouTube works. If you've watched our channel before, I'm confident you already know how to make money on YouTube. However, if you're new to our channel, let me explain how to make money on YouTube. There are two ways to use YouTube. The first is for fun, while the second is for money. But how can one profit from YouTube? You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community posts. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Making money on YouTube is done by uploading content that people can view and getting paid when they do. You are not paid for views, but rather for the ads on your videos. When these people watch your videos, they will see advertisements, and the time spent watching the ad determines how much money you will receive. You've now figured out how people make money on YouTube. Some people may want to make money on YouTube by creating content, but they may want to avoid showing their faces or being self-conscious about how they look or speak. If you're one of these people, our channel will teach you how to create YouTube videos without showing your face or using your voice. To do so, first select a niche in which to specialize. So which are among the best faceless niches? All CPMs will discuss our historical averages, and revenue earned is before YouTube takes its 45% share. The first one is scary stories. Is Halloween one of your favorite holidays? Do you enjoy movies with mystery, suspense, and jump scares? It may be time to launch a YouTube horror channel. Your videos don't have to be terrifyingly scary to get people to subscribe to your channel, but they should have some tension. And if you want to exercise your imagination, horror is the ideal setting. Some YouTube channels combine animation, true crime, and narration to tell the creepiest and most amusing stories. IMR Scary Tales is an exemplary channel in this area. According to Social Blade statistics, this channel was launched on August 3rd, 2019 and presently has over 728,000 subscribers. This video, titled 21 True Horror Stories Animated, is one of the most popular on this channel. This 3-hour video was released 1 year ago and has nearly 4 million views. I particularly like how this channel uses animation to describe the horrific story as the voiceover artist tells it. Listen closely if you want to start a channel like this but need more skills to create such animations. You can use Upwork.com to find a freelancer to create your visuals. You can pay a freelancer to write these scripts if you don't have scary stories. This is the advantage of cash cow channels. You can outsource every work piece and wait for ad revenue to trickle in. So how much does this channel earn? According to Social Blade statistics, this channel received 3.1 million views in the last 30 days, resulting in profits ranging from $739 to $11,800, with an anticipated yearly earnings range of $8,900 to $142,000. This is normally the part where I tell you that Social Blade uses a CPM estimate of 25 cents to $4 per 1,000 monetized playbacks, and that this channel is actually earning $1 million a month or something like that. But not this time. CPMs for the scary story niche are historically about $1.40 to $2 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. With 3.1 million views, we can estimate that IMR Scary Tales is earning between $4,340 and $6,200 per month. The next niche is on the list. Unboxings and product reviews. When you create video reviews, you assist individuals in making critical judgments. They respond to questions such as, should I buy the most recent Lexus EV or the most recent Hummer EV? Should I purchase an iPhone 14 or a Samsung Galaxy S22? Unboxing videos are more relaxed and usually do not include a review. Instead, the content creator opens the product's packaging to expose what's inside, sometimes without saying anything. The product is the focus of both types of videos. You can test the latest iPhone or unbox a waffle iron without revealing your identity. More than anything else, you'll display your hands holding the product. Dr. Dbox is an excellent example of a channel in this niche. This channel was launched on July 8th, 2019, and as of 2022, it has 744,000 subscribers. This video, titled iPhone 14 Pro Max Unboxing and Camera Test, is an excellent example of unboxing. This video was posted 12 days ago, but already has nearly 800,000 views. As you can see, people enjoy viewing these kinds of videos. If you prefer to avoid revealing your face on camera or giving voiceovers, you can make this type of video because no one is displaying their face and no one is speaking. All you need to do is buy a good camera or utilize your phone's built-in camera if you need more money to buy a good camera. So how much does this channel earn? Statistics from Social Blade show that this channel has had 3.8 million views in the last 30 days, bringing in anywhere from $872 to $14,000. We know channels in the tech niche historically have a CPM range of $8 to $25. Knowing this, we can estimate that Dr. D-Box is earning between $30,400 and $95,000 per month. This is a good amount of money, considering that these channels could make more money with some of the ways I'll talk about later in the video. The very next niche is on the list, motivational videos. This may be kind of a controversial one, and I'm happy to discuss in the comments. Guess what? You don't have to switch on the camera to express yourself. You can achieve amazing things on YouTube if you're willing to use additional aspects in your videos, such as voiceover, graphics, and stock footage. A-Lux.com creates videos in this manner, with over 4 million subscribers. The owner of this channel never reveals their identity on camera. Each video only features a female voiceover discussing the topic of that video. This channel has a video named 15 Ways to Make $1 Million. This video was posted 4 years ago and has received over 2 million views. As previously stated, no one appears in this video. Instead, you hear a voiceover and see several royalty-free stock footage clips. To make a video like this, you must research the title and jot down the script. When the script is finished, you can use Pictory AI to build the entire video for you. Try Pictory for free using my link in the description. It will add similar images and videos based on what is written in the script. It will also include narration, saving you money for a freelancer to do the voiceover. So how much does this channel earn? According to Social Blade statistics, this channel received over 5,500,000 views in the last 30 days. A-Lux.com is in the luxury niche, which has a CPM range of $50 to $60 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. That means that A-Lux.com may be earning between $275,000 and $330,000 each month. Can you picture earning over $200,000 a month solely from ad revenue? That's fantastic. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your own face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. The next niche is on the list, top 10 ranking videos. Do you enjoy researching anything and everything in your spare time? If that's the case, that's a skill you can rapidly transfer to YouTube. You can rank the top 10 movies, vacation places, pizza restaurants, and more depending on your interests. Instead of displaying your face, you'll use photos, graphics, and voiceover to fill in the visual gaps. Most Amazing Top 10 is an excellent example channel in this category. It was created on December 19, 2014, and as of 2022, it has 7,700,000 subscribers. The name alone indicates that this is a top 10 channel. All they do is conduct extensive research on the top 10 related topics and assemble several tales into a single video. The advantage of the top 10 videos niche is that you are open to all sub-niches. You can create videos about any topic as long as it is related. Top 10 criminals who escaped after being convicted is a superb example video in this niche. This video was uploaded 4 years ago and has received over 30 million views. When you play this video, you will notice someone explaining what is happening while you are shown various visuals. Even if the person describing what happened in their channel is revealing their face, you might choose not to show your face and instead use photos and stock footage to explain what you are saying. So how much does this channel make? According to Social Blade statistics, this channel received over 14 million views in the previous 30 days, resulting in earnings ranging from $3,700 to $58,700 that month. They are also expected to earn between $44,000 and $703,800 yearly. Can you imagine earning more than $500,000 per year solely from ad revenue? Isn't that fascinating? The final niche on the list is time-lapse videos. Have you ever seen a video where the morning sky transforms into the night in seconds? You were witnessing a time-lapse at the time. The landscape appeared to move at an impossible rate, but in reality, multiple photographs appeared quickly to produce a classic time-lapse. If you don't enjoy displaying your face or recording voiceovers, the time-lapse niche might be for you. This niche can save you a lot of money because you won't need to hire a scriptwriter or a voiceover artist. All you need to do is invest in a good camera, or if you don't have enough money, use your smartphone to record the videos. All that remains is for you to edit your videos and upload them to your channel. Tempenant Time-Lapse is a wonderful example channel in this niche. This channel was founded on August 13, 2008, and as of 2022, it has about 1 million subscribers. As previously stated, these videos are pretty simple to make. Melting ice cream time-lapse is one of their most popular videos. This video was uploaded 3 years ago and has received over 74 million views. They took one ice cream from the freezer, placed it somewhere to freeze, then captured the entire melting process and uploaded the video. The owner of this channel was able to earn money only from it. So how much money does this channel make each month? According to Social Blade statistics, this channel received over 27 million views, nearly 28 million, and earned between $7,000 and $111,200 that month. That is amazing. Can you imagine making over $100,000 simply by uploading videos on YouTube? If you thought that was insane, wait till you see their annual earnings. According to Social Blade statistics, this channel is worth between $83,400 and $1,300,000 yearly. Consider earning more than $1 million per year in this niche. That is an enormous sum. Now let's move on to additional monetization methods. Because YouTube AdSense is one of the money sources we've looked at, I mentioned that these channels might earn more money. They now have an additional source of income. Another approach to monetizing the videos you promote is through affiliate marketing. This is one of the most popular monetization tactics due to its simplicity. So you are basically a middleman who connects a buyer to a program or product in exchange for a commission. Assume you go to an affiliate marketplace such as Digistore24.com. There are thousands of different items to sell in this situation. When you find a product you want to promote, you include a link to it in the description and pin it in the comment section of each video you upload. All you have to do now is inform your viewers of the links you shared in the video. It is critical to remember that if an affiliate product is relevant to the information they're reviewing, the likelihood of them purchasing it skyrockets. As a result, choosing a product related to the video you're creating is essential for making a second income. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. What do you think about the best faceless YouTube niche? Do you want to build a channel in one of these niches? Comment down below and let's engage. Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2023 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. If you enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen that I've selected just for you. Now you know some of the best faceless cash cow YouTube niches, but that won't help you if you're really interested in discovering which niches may help you earn over $65,000 per month. Click the video on your screen if you want to know which faceless YouTube channel ideas will make you rich. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.